So if you want to go to ChatGPT and say, write me a content article that is covers a lot of detail about the benefits of tirzepatide. I run a wellness clinic in Loomis, California, as an example. You can do that, and it's going to spit out a really good content article that is optimized well for search. So Google is all about, again, just providing people helpful content. It doesn't care where the origin of that content is actually from, at least not at this moment in time. It cares more about, is that content helping people make everyday decisions? And I'm also going to say in the same breath, like, look, artificial intelligence right now, it is a buzz term. It's trendy. Like, it's freaking everywhere. And I love it. I use ChatGPT almost on a daily basis. It's my personal assistant in my back pocket. If you haven't played around with it, play around with it, please. It's a lot of fun, and you really will get a lot of value out of utilizing it. But I'm also going to say in the same breath that artificial intelligence should never replace human touch. Okay. So when you run a small business, you can't overly rely on artificial intelligence to do everything for you. Otherwise, you're going to lose something. You're going to lose that human touch. And that is really what people crave in a very, very digital world that we're living in right now. So we need to keep that in mind. And